You already know. Cock-a-doodle-doo, nigga. Alright. Today we're gonna be reacting to Dashie Wiz Laugh completion. Let's see if laugh or not. This isn't a try not to laugh. Alright, that's good. That's good. I like that. Alright. This shit too funny. I can't do this.
You wanna play? Let's play. We chase ghosts, bitch. Yo, it's like a family portrait.
Oh no. Oh God. I don't understand this one. I think the next one gonna be funny. These aren't that funny. Oh my!
Give him that. Look at this motherfucker.
I stole his Wiz laugh. I don't know how, but I did.
Shit. That mother. And look at him. Look at what you looking at him. Look. Yo. He was looking at look. Or I guess in this case, look at him. Look at him. Looking dead into the shit. Look. Yo, I almost forgot. Yeah. Look at this bitch, and then look at it. He looked dead at the lens. Just put it on.
Shit too funny.
We're gonna push him off right now. Go. What happened? Yo! Oh my God! All the way out the show, man.
Oh,
shit! Oh, baby, did you see that? Oh, damn! Oh, that's I'm gonna run away, bitch!
Oh, fuck? Mario and WWE?
Oh, I gotta check my tab! One time. Do it again. Go, go.
Do it again. I can't stand this. Okay. What the fuck? The fuck? What the heck?
Police coming. Right on your ass. So listen. Okay.
Okay, so you want to
Like she applied Mabel. Tickle with the let's finish off jacking 2 dicks at one time. He's like, shout out to the dick. Anybody out here need they dick?
What the fuck?
Dick jack. Hey, you sure about some dick? Hey, y'all want to get some of this juicy?
God damn. I can't do. Emily wanna play. Oh, that's some funny ass shit right there.